Okay, boys and girls, for your volume projects, there are a few requirements that I want to remind you of. You will need to decide what structure you're making. Are you making a city, a building, cakes, jungles, animals, dragons, etc.? Whatever you decide you're making, remember it must fit on a regular size piece of paper. The other requirement that is pretty big is that it must be made out of paper, and you must use paper to create rectangular prisms or cubes. Okay, so I gave you some examples. Here's one example right here. Here's another example, and here's another example. Okay, so you will be given a piece of paper for your base, and then you will have access to papered index cards to build your idea. I suggest that you talk with your partner and kind of express what you both want first before you jump right in. You will also need to find the volume of each piece of your building or of your project that you're building. So every rectangular prism and every single cube needs to have the volume. I would record the volume on a worksheet or a extra piece of paper as you go so you do not lose all of that information. Because when you are finished, you will need to write down the total volume for each piece of your creation, and then you need to add them together to find the total. Here's an example of your final piece that you will attach to your project, and it is an index card. On the index card, you can see it says volume equals base times height. You will have to fill that in for each of your pieces of your structure. Down here, you will place the total volume, and then up in the corner, you will write by and both of your names. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I'm looking forward to seeing these amazing structures that will get to be displayed downstairs in the media center. Have fun!